Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most exclusive and powerful luxury grand tours of the modern era, the 2025 Bentley Batur. Let's get right into it. With only 18 units being hand-built by Bentley's Mulliner division, this car isn't just rare, it's a statement of craftsmanship, power, and design evolution that gives us a glimpse into Bentley's future electric era, while still being powered by a glorious W12 engine. The first thing you notice about the 2025 Batur is its commanding and sculpted exterior. The styling marks a bold new direction for Bentley's design language. It's lower, sleeker, and more aggressive than anything we've seen before from the British automaker. The front fascia is dominated by a wide grille and sharp LED headlamps, giving it an assertive road presence. The long hood, pronounced haunches, and fluid lines give it a silhouette that blends elegance with pure muscle. With exclusive color combinations, unique Mulliner detailing, and 22-inch wheels, the Batur looks every bit the modern luxury coupe reimagined. Even the rear end feels fresh, with slim taillights and a contoured tailgate that finishes off the design in a very confident way. Step inside and the Batur reaffirms its ultra-luxury status. The cabin is meticulously crafted using the finest materials available. Bentley offers endless personalization options, from sustainable leathers and natural fiber composites to 3D printed gold detailing. The dashboard is centered around a modern, digital layout but retains physical craftsmanship elements like organ stop controls and knurled metal accents. Seating is opulent, featuring deep bolstered sports seats that offer supreme comfort for long journeys. Every element from the stitching to the finishes is designed to reflect bespoke luxury. The car is still technologically advanced, with a premium infotainment system, digital driver display, and a top-tier Naim audio system that fills the cabin with rich sound. It's a space designed not only to travel in, but to truly experience. Underneath its refined surface, the Batur is powered by the final and most powerful version of Bentley's iconic 6.0-liter twin-turbocharged W12 engine. It delivers a jaw-dropping 740 horsepower and 737 lb-ft of torque, allowing the Batur to surge from 0 to 60 mph in just 3.5 seconds. This level of performance is matched with a chassis that features adaptive air suspension, active anti-roll control, and four-wheel steering. Whether you're cruising down the motorway or carving through mountain passes, the Batur remains composed, fast, and supremely confident. Despite its immense power, it's also a grand tourer at heart, with refined ride quality and low cabin noise, making long-distance drives a true pleasure. Of course, exclusivity like this comes at a price. The starting cost of the 2025 Bentley Batur is around $1.9 million, and that's before customizations, which most buyers will absolutely opt for. This is a car for collectors, enthusiasts, and those looking for one of the final chapters of Bentley's combustion engine legacy. Thanks for watching today's review. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2025 Bentley Batur, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more luxury car reviews, and let us know in the comments what dream car you'd want to see next. Drive safe and stay passionate about cars.